You think you could just hang around here, weakling? That'll teach you a lesson. Now get out of my sight.
Look at him walk away! What a loser!
Yeah, get out of here, weakling! Yes, I found it!
Thank you very much. Enjoy the flowers.
Excellent choice. Let me get that for you.
Oh, thank you. I love it.
Get this pathetic excuse for a dog!
He's so skinny, a strong breeze would blow him away!
Maybe you should stick to the salad bar, shrimp.
You destitute, filthy person!
Bastard!
Look at him cry! He's so weak!
You'll never be strong, you pathetic little mutt! Destitute, filthy person!
Destitute, filthy person.
Please like and subscribe to the channel.
What is this? Get that pathetic dollar out of my sight! We don't want you here!
She's so beautiful. She's so kind and warm.
Way to go, champion! We are so proud of you!
From today on, I'll start working to become wealthier so I can marry her. I won't be a destitute, filthy person anymore.
everyone. Please like and subscribe to the channel.
Hey everyone, it's the scrawny failer. Go back to the junkyard where you belong. You're pathetic. They said it couldn't be done. They said a skinny dog couldn't change the world. But look at us now. This victory belongs to all of you. Remember when you pushed me around? Well, look at me now. Those days are over, bully. I'm stronger, and I won't let you hurt anyone again. You think you can stand up to me now, golden boy?
Yes, I'll marry you.
Everyone, study hard like I do so you can become richer and stronger. I believe in you. You can do it. Keep going.
Hey, you hillbilly! Get out of here! You just messed up my supercar!
Here you go. Happy Christmas. Oh, thank you. This looks wonderful.
Unbelievable move there by the young skater. He nails the grind across the rail and sticks the landing perfectly.
Here is your payment, young man.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Hey everyone, check out the poor dog on the tiny bike. He's so skinny.
Congratulations on the purchase, sir. Here are the keys.
Thank you. She's a beauty. I'm going to enjoy this.
Look at that loser wipeout! What a joke!
Oh dear, that looked painful. I hope he's all right.
Black, come on!
Don't forget to like and subscribe, everyone.
They're coming around the bend. Go, go, go! Come on, push it! We're almost there! We did it! We won! Black, come on! Young heads! Oh, Black, you're really strong!
Call that racing, Tiny. Better luck next time, loser. Black! Hey, weakling! Get off the track!
On your marks, get set, go!
Look at that rust bucket! You're going nowhere fast in that thing!
Go, go, Skinny! You got this! You're almost there! Come on, win it!
Look at you, Slowpoke! Are those skinny legs even trying? Better luck next time!
Control. The audio features the sounds of engines roaring and fire burning intensely.
He did it! The champion! I'm so proud of him!
It's breaking! No, no, no! You weakling! Get lost! How embarrassing!
If you're tired of being pushed around, then stand up. The only person who can define your limits is you. It's time to train harder, push further.
Come on, faster! We're almost there!
I found this incredible emerald just for you, sir. I believe it meets your standards. This is quite exquisite localization.
He did it! I knew he would win!
Get lost. I have a new girlfriend now. She deserves it, and is many times better than you.
Here is your reward. $1 million.
I won! Thank you!